to invite our chief guest, Shri C.V. Anand, Commissioner of Police Garu, to this event of pre-recruitment training launch in North Zone. At the same time, I welcome our Joint CP Admin, Shri Ramesh Garu, and Sham Institute Coaching Center faculty, Santosh Reddy Garu, Govardhan Reddy Garu, Shiva Prasad Garu, and Shiv Shankar Reddy Garu. Also, all the other officers, Additional DCP North Zone Venkateshwarlu Garu, ACPs of North Zone, Additional DCP Madhukar Swami Garu, and all of you with so many dreams and aspirations to join the noble service of police and other uniformed services. I'd like to give you some information which will throw light on the efforts made by Hyderabad City Police since 2016. First pre-recruitment training manaki 2016 lo Hyderabad City lo matrame jarigindi. Second pre-recruitment training coaching 2018 లో స్టేట్ వైడ్ ఇటువంటి కోచింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీ పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ తరఫు నుంచి అవైలబుల్ చేయడం జరిగింది. 5000 స్టూడెంట్స్కి 2018లో కోచింగ్ ఇచ్చారు. సక్సెస్ రేట్ వాజ్ 25%. నార్త్ జోన్లో 1200 మెంబర్స్కి కోచింగ్ ఇస్తే 400+ సెలెక్షన్స్ వచ్చాయి, which means success rate of 30%. I believe with the grit and determination of all the aspirants here, and also equally determined efforts of the coaching institute faculty and their management, we will cross this mark of success this time. It is the third effort of Hyderabad City Police in providing coaching facility to unemployed youth, to make them eligible in outdoor and also indoor subjects, eligible in the sense to train them to clear the exams and join the services. 2018 lo 9,000+ vacancies were announced in uniformed services, but now 18,000+ vacancies are announced. There is a huge jump. Thanks to the Telangana state government, it is a huge encouragement for all of us. Deentlo inka there are other aspects, like last time there is reservation for women 33%. So women in big numbers should participate, should make efforts, join our facility and succeed. This is special request from us. Isari 20,000 candidates Hyderabad city nunchi exam rasaru, entrance exam for this coaching. They have registered. Dantlo 11,093 candidates appeared. Selected are 7,133. Sir, exam paper tough ga undi, but still 7,133 of them managed to secure more than 50%. Zone wise data ki vaste, North Zone lo appeared candidates 2,244 and selected are 1,446. It is 63%. It is the highest in all the zones, north, east, west, south and central. ఈసారి కోచింగ్ ప్రత్యేకాలు ఏంటి అంటే, మనం తెలుగు మీడియం వారికి విమెన్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్కి సపరేట్గా కోచింగ్ ఇచ్చే ఫెసిలిటీ పెడుతున్నాము. To make it more comfortable and convenient for them, and also so that they can reap the benefits of the coaching better. Shortly, North Zone ki sambandhinchi 2 centers, suitably located centers lo ఈ సెలెక్టెడ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ అయినటువంటి మీరందరికీ కూడా కోచింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాము. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి మనకి సంతోష్ రెడ్డి గారు రీజనింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, గోవర్ధన్ రెడ్డి జాగ్రఫీ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, శివప్రసాద్ ఎకానమీ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, శివశంకర్ రెడ్డి అరిథమెటిక్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, వీరిలో ముగ్గురు మీకు ఈరోజు డెమో క్లాస్ కూడా ఇస్తారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ హౌ క్లాసెస్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బీ హెల్డ్. So I request all of you to pay attention in the demo classes and also in your training classes and make best use of this facility. ఇది ఎక్కడ ఎటువంటి కోచింగ్ క్లాస్కి కూడా తీసిపోయే విధంగా ఉండదు. I promise you that this effort is going to be the best effort amongst the available options to you. And I request all of you who are joining the classes to be sincere from day one till the last day, and be sincere, determined. You will definitely succeed, and I really hope and look forward to joining you to having you in the uniform services and also work with you. Thank you, officers. With this, I conclude my welcome speech.
Thank you, madam. Aiti.